The city bus, it's coming your way, the city bus. You wait at the stop for the bus to pick you up, but an hour or two goes by. The cost of the bus is sky high, people walking about their daily lives. The people are leading their daily lives. The people are leading their daily lives. The bus will come when you least expect it. The bus will come when you least expect it. Cars go by, but no bus. The car goes by, but there's no bus. Terrible Tim, he does a show. He doesn't wait for no man's show. He doesn't wait for a bus like us. We wait for a bus for everybody to go. The bus coming to, the bus coming way. When the bus will get there, who knows? The bus is coming your way, the bus is coming your way, but the bus never shows an hour or two. The bus never comes, the bus never leaves, the bus is always crowded and you have to stand up. Standing up too on the bus, you have to go on the bus. The bus will come, the bus will leave, the bus will go at least once a day. People are flying in a plane, people are traveling in cabs. People are waiting, people are going about their lives. Now that I sang, it's almost time. I got to go and do what I have to do. I have to live my life. I have to go to the store. I can't be bothered to wait for the bus. Now that you heard my song, I leave you with this. Take your time.